We've got some wintry travel on our hands in the west as the system is working its way on in. It's been giving you some rain and also a little bit of snow for the higher elevations. Another batch of energy will be moving on into the west Wednesday and Thursday, and we could see significant amounts of rain and snow from this next particular system. Check out where the wintry travel is going to be a problem across the Cascades, also across the Great Lakes. We've got a little bit of snow occurring right now in Messina, New York, as well as Burlington and Montpelier, and even Portland. Yeah, and some moisture working its way back into the picture for Texas and Louisiana. New Orleans getting some rain right now as Martin's across the northwest and across the Great Lakes. So the winds are going to be howling. Take it easy out there if you've got travel plans. We're going to get you a forecast for tomorrow coming up next.
The Weather Channel is...
Hi there and welcome to the Weather Channel. We're going to be taking a look at what we saw last week and what we are seeing this week and how things are changing and how that's going to affect you. And I think you're going to like it, but let's check it out and see. Last week we had the southern branch of the jet stream bringing in a lot of moisture across Texas and even into the southeast. And that moisture met up with some cold air as it reached the northeast, the Arctic air slamming down out of Canada, and we had a nightmare on our hands in the form of ice and sleet and snow. And I know you don't even want to be reminded. Okay, let's see what this week is going to be like. Well, the jet stream is going to let up a little bit, and the Arctic air will be isolated to the very extreme northern sections of New England and the northern tier. What else is going to happen is this. We're going to see a little bit of a snow melt for some locations, and everyone is saying, yes, good, bring it on, the warmer weather that is. And we're going to, and the mild, that is the best news that I can give you for the eastern half of the United States. I think you're going to like that part of it. Now in the west, we're going to pull in some storms, some Pacific storms, and since this is the wet season, you're supposed to be seeing wet weather this time of year. You haven't been. It's been pretty dry, but we're going to change that as we get mild weather across the Southland. Look at that, 45 degrees in Pittsburgh, not too in New York City. Now, yes, granted it is still cold, but we've 7 in Bismarck. Like I said, we've got some changes coming in the west in that we are going to bring in this low pressure system right along that jet stream as it forms a trough there. Some tropical moisture and a lot of it. We could see the rain begin by Wednesday evening in Santa Barbara, move into LA by Thursday morning, and by noon on Thursday you could see some rain in San Diego. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Like I said, by Wednesday, here it goes, and we've got a winter storm watch in effect for Tahoe Valley for Wednesday night into California. Some moisture still lingering across the Southland, across the Gulf Coast that is, for New Orleans and on back into Jacksonville, Florida. But